Hi everyone! Today let's talk about how to get closer to God. Okay. Number one, pray every day. You need to pray. Lagi tayong mag-pray kay God because prayer is important. Huwag kayong basa lang ng basa. Kailangan natin i-understand. Kailangan like, friend this si Jesus, like that. Then, diba, sa kaibigan natin, when you say na, you tell the worries, problem, then, merong ibang kaibigan na i-judge tayo. So, if you talk God in your life, Jesus don't judge you. So, talk to God like a friend. Tell Him your worries, not your friends. It's okay naman magsasabi ka sa iyong friend, pero hindi natin kasi alam yung iba. So, kailangan natin sabihin lahat sabihin natin sa Panginoon. Like, sabihin natin yung problema natin, yung worries, yung mga pangarap natin, the dream. And also, kailangan thankful tayo sa maliliit na bagay and His blessing to give sa ating buhay. So, that is number one. Pray every day. So, number two is read the Bible. Even a few verses a day is makatulong na siya sa iyo para ma-understand mo kung sino talaga si God. Kailangan din natin i-understand ang mga by verse. So, kailangan natin ng read the Bible every few verses a day because it can help to understand the message and to guide us what is the ano ba talaga yung gagawin natin sa buhay. So, number three is trust God's timing. Minsan, hindi natin naiintindihan ang nangyayari. So, like, you struggle, sa may problem, like, ano nangyari to? Hindi mo na understand na God always has a purpose in your life. So, trust God's timing. Trust God's will. Number four, live according to His word. Hindi lang siya sa like pastor, like nakikinig ka lang, kailangan ding may gawa. Sabi nga doon, the word is dead if no action. It's the reality of life. This is the reality that we need to make action. So, the last is stay grateful. Stay grateful the small things in your life that God give in you. Focus on God's blessing instead of always focusing what is missing. Focus sa mga binibigay sa atin ng Diyos. Huwag lang puro hanapin yung wala. Maging thankful na lang tayo kung anong meron sa ating buhay every day. Because the more time you spend with God, the more peace and strength and purpose you find in your life. So, stay close to Him and He will guide your path. Don't seek God in hard times. Seek Him every day. Huwag tayong lalapit dahil napagod na tayo. Lalapit tayo kasi nandiyan siya palagi. Every day in your life. So, God bless everyone.